Hi everyone, today I'm going to build an image gallery. It's a good exercise to improve JavaScript, HTML, CSS skills, and also of an interview question. So let's take a look at the design. As you can see, here is image and just two buttons. Forward by pressing we'll see the next image, and back we'll see the previous image. So let's get started with the implementation. First of all, I need to add. I forgot to say that I've prepared 5 images. I just took them for the Unsplash site. There are 3 images, and I just put them in images folder, and I'm going to build HTML code index.html and press exclamation mark got template, and I can change title to image gallery. And now we can build body. First of all, we need some container with class carousel, and inside the container we'll have slides. Let me create a slide, and inside slide we'll have image with source. First source will be images, image 1, and I'm going to put image 1 in alt. Okay, and now I'm going to copy paste this code for 5 images and just change numbers. 2, 3, 4, and 5. And also we need 2 buttons for navigation. Let me add them. One button, and we'll assign class ref button. And I'm going to use less than sign for that button. And the second button will be next button, and greater than sign. Okay, and now we can build our CSS code. I'm going to add styles CSS file, and also we need file for JavaScript JS, and let me add them inside our HTML code. A link to our styles and script with source to script, and I'll put here defer to load and start this script after the HTML is ready. Okay, and now we can build styles. So I'm going to make it by the center. So we'll place display flex and so justify content center, align items center. Also we need some height, 100 window height, and also margin 0 for body. And now we can create our style for our container carousel class, and we'll have max width, let it be 800 pixels, and also we can add some margin like 0.5 per root element. And now we can create styles for our slide class. Initially we'll just hide all these images with display none, and also we need some class for our image. We'll make them with 100%, and height will be auto. Okay, and so we need classes for our pref and next buttons. It's a class, and also the next button, and I'm going to make them top 50%, and we need position absolute to align them by center, and absolute position will be applied for the closest relative position. And let's do it for our carousel. And we'll need relative position, and for centering we also need transform property, and we'll use this translate y by minus 50%. That will allow align the buttons by center, and also we don't need border here, border none, and also we can increase font size a bit. 5 root element, we can make cursor pointer and add some border radius like 2 root element. And let me check what we have. I'm going to just start index HTML file, and it will open my HTML inside browser. We have only button because we make these slides hidden, and we can add left and right margins. Left and right. Okay, let me do it. To align button by left and the second by right. Let it be just left one element, and for the next button, right one root element, and let's check. Okay, we have buttons, and now we can build our JavaScript code. First of all, I need some variable that will store all elements for our slides, and then I'm going to navigate through slides and show the slide that we want to show. Let's do it. Slides. For receiving all slides, we'll use document query selector all, and it will return node list, and we can navigate through all nodes. And query selector all, and I'm going to use my slide class. And we need to specify that it is a class. Okay, I'm going to close this terminal. And also we need some variable to store the current position of the slide. Let current slide, and it will be 0 initially. And also we need some function to show the current slide and the slides that we want to show. Function slide, and we'll have parameter index inside it. It will just navigate through slides with for each, and it will take slide and index, and we need to implement function. We just check if current index equals to past index, then we'll just display slide style display. I'll do block, and otherwise it will be just none. Okay, we'll have function, and we can call this function with 0, and let me check. Okay, we have our image, but the buttons don't work. Let's make them all working. For that we need function next slide for next button, and we'll just increase current slide plus 1, and we need to check if current slide not greater than our slides length. If it's greater, then we need just move to the beginning. Current slide will be 0, and we need to show current slide. And the same, almost the same function we need for the previous slide. Function prep slide will decrease by 1, and we need to check that we have slides that we don't less than 0, and if the current slide is less than 0, then we need just move to the end, and it will be slides length minus 1. And also we need to add event listeners for pressing the next step and pref button and assign to event listeners our implemented function. I'm going to do it with document query selector and use my class for pref button and add event listener for the click and assign my pref slide and do the same for the next button, but I'm going to assign next slide. Okay, and let's check what we have. I'm going to press next button and I see next slide, next, and it's the last one, and it shows the first. And let me check the pref button. I see pref slide and it's the first, and I see the last line. It looks like everything is working. So we can check if we have some responsive styles. I'm going to just open developer tools and move the space, and as you can see, we have some responsiveness here, and we can check for some mobile devices. So everything looks good. Okay, I'm going to just close all it. And so the image gallery was implemented. If you like the video, subscribe to my DefaBlog channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.